Krishna is speaking in this chapter 9. He's speaking about the unalloyed Mahatmas of Shuddha Bhaktas. In chapter 9, verse 13 and 14, and also 22, he's speaking directly about them. So we read this verse 13. That's the Mahatmanas Tamam Partha Daivim Prakriti Mashrita Bhajanti Ananya Manaso Gyatva Bhutaram Avayam. Those great souls, Mahatmas, take refuge of Daivi Prakriti, spiritual energy, and they worship Krishna, Mamashrita, with undeviated minds. Ananya Manaso. Bhajan, Ananya Manaso. How do they do that? Because they know, Gyatva, that I am the origin, that all living entities, I am the source of everything, and I'm imperishable. Then 14 is, and so they worship him. He says, 13 says the great souls, they surrender to Krishna, they take shelter of Yoga Maya and the spiritual energy, and they fix their minds totally on Krishna, knowing they fully know his identity as the absolute truth. Well, how do they worship him? What's the primary way which Mahatmas worship Krishna? What's the best way to worship Krishna, the primary way? Then Krishna tells that in chapter 9, verse 14. Satatam kirtiyanta mam yatantascha drida vrata namasyantash tamam bhaktya nitya yukta upasate. So all these phrases are there. Nitya abhayuktanam, nitya yukta upasate, ananya manaso, bhajan ananya, bhajan ananya manaso. Then nitya yukta upasate. Then nitya abhayuktanam. So this is nitya yukta, this is nitya yukta. Huh? Yeah. 9:14, 9:22. So this is the qualities of the greatest devotees. So we're not on that level, but we try. I don't always chant about Krishna, Satatam Kirtiyantam Mam, but at least whenever I try, at least every day for 2 hours, I chant about Krishna, then here and there. Not Satatam, but Tamdatam, time to time. Tamdatam, time to time I chant about Krishna. So Satatam Kirtiyantam Mam. So that's why the commentary is saying here in 9:22 that verse 9:22, 9:13, 9:14, they're all describing the great devotees. And in between there's Swarga worshippers and Karma Kandis and Karma Yogas. So a little bit of mixture here in this Raja Vidya, Raja Guyam chapter. This is the yoga of hidden treasure. The yoga of hidden treasure, it says. Oh yeah, Rajaguya Yoga. Okay. That's why he says, nice translation. Yoga of hidden treasure. It's nice. Guya means hidden, and Raja is taken to mean treasure, the king, the treasure. The king means treasures. So knowledge is the greatest king, and king means treasure, and knowledge is the greatest treasure. Very clever title, translation. Yoga of hidden treasure. Rajaguya Yoga. That's why this is like par excellence Gita. It's the best one I've seen because I only know English, so that's why I recommend it. And you read the BBT. BBT, you get everything about Hare Krishna, everything. Krishna's God, surrender to Guru. That's the main theme everywhere. Every verse is Hare Krishna. And anything about yoga, gyan, karma, it all means bhakti. Everything means bhakti. Everything means chant Hare Krishna. Everything means surrender to Guru. Everything means serve Krishna. Which is perfect. It's subjective. That's why it's as it is. It's as it is. Everyone is what they are is as it is for them.